Sermon number 69. Admonishing his companions about careless behavior. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. How long shall I accord you consideration that is accorded to camels with hollow hump, or to worn clothes which when stitched on one side give way on the other? Whenever a vanguard force of Syria, Sham, hovers over you, every one of you shuts his door and hides himself like the lizard in its hole or a badger at its den. By Allah, he whom people like you support must suffer disgrace, and he who throws arrows with your support is as if he throws arrows that are broken both at head and tail. By Allah, within the courtyard you are quite numerous, but under the banner you are only a few. Certainly, I know what can improve you and how your crookedness can be straightened. But I shall not improve your condition by marring myself. Allah may disgrace your faces and destroy you. You do not understand the right as you understand the wrong, and do not crush the wrong as you crush the right.